with my teeth. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. There's plenty of dental calculus. Break it with ultrasonic wave first. Rinse the teeth clean with a water gun. Clean away the dirty water. Let's find out which tooth works wrong. Found it! You are awesome! This tooth is seriously decayed, so it hurts badly. Root canal therapy is needed. Dig out the black cavity in the decayed tooth first. Remove the damaged nerve cells in the decayed tooth so it won't hurt. Eliminate swelling with potion gun. Drag the bottle to fill the tooth with fillings. The tooth is filled. You are awesome! Polish the decayed tooth so it can fit well with the new dental crown. Put on a dental crown you like. Treatment is complete. The teeth are all repaired to be super strong. Thank you, doctor. Remember to rinse your mouth after meals and brush your teeth carefully so you will not have dental calculus or cavities. You are great! Here's a badge of hard, false teeth for you.